In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome opening new tabs and stop auto opening. It's a very simple method, so if you find this new video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, if Chrome opens a brand new tab every time you return to the app after a few minutes, you need to disable a hidden flag that controls how the app resumes. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up Chrome, and then on the Chrome address bar, what we want to go ahead and type in is Chrome and then the semicolon / flags, like so. Then what you want to do is go to search flags at the very top and then type in start surface, like so, and then go ahead and press enter. Then you're going to see enable showing start surface at start after specified time has elapsed. So what you want to do, if it's on default, set it to disabled, like so, and that's exactly all you want to do. And what you can also go ahead and do is if Chrome is opening tabs to weird ads or virus warning pages, a website has permission to pop up new windows. So what we want to do is go ahead to the three little dots on the top right, go over to settings, scroll down until you find site settings. Once you go ahead and click on that, tap pop-ups and redirects. So just keep scrolling down. You're going to see a lot of things. Go to pop-ups and redirects and ensure it is blocked or not allowed. And then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.